from Daang Lungsod, Uslub, Cebu, Miss Kim Chu loves watching TV, eating midnight snack sa kahapon. And her motto in life is Que sera, sera, Que sera, sera, whatever will be, will be. Wala pa siya ambition, Chod. To be the Miss International Queen. Wow. But sorry to say, our titles from the beginning is Queen of Asia, Queen of the World, and Queen of the Universe. Hello! Good evening, Miss Kim Chu. Hello. Kumusta, Day? Kira. How did you prepare for tonight's pageant?
Well, I just have my beauty rest, and I do believe that you should trust yourself.
Okay, so, bakit bagong latest girl ni Kim Chu, Day? Naunsa siya, Day? Naunsa si Kim Chu? Bitaw kita pa kaniya, Day? Awan siya kita. Hindi ka pa ni Kim Chu, Day. Okay, Kim Chu, please choose your judge. Okay. You pick judge. Okay, she picked judge number 1, Mr. Kiboy. Do the honor of giving her your questions.
Hello, good evening, Kim Chu. Good evening, sir. You look stunning for tonight.
Thank you so much.
Are you kind of nervous?
A little bit.
Okay, Miss Kim Chu, your question goes like this. If God didn't make you as a human being, then what do you think you are now? I repeat, if God didn't make you as a human being, then what are you now?
If God didn't make me as a human right now, would I'd rather choose to be an animal. Because for all I know, we have in everything we have life. We can give everything just to help others. If I will be an animal, I would like to be a dog so that I can help anybody who needs me in case of emergency, just like if there are strangers in their house. Thank you. And every animal has a purpose in living this world. Thank you so much.
Okay, Judge, are you satisfied?
Yes, truly.
Okay. So, may I call on our third candidate, Miss Ann Curtis. Miss Ann Curtis, Prince Alden Cuerda in real life, is a supermodel. She's also from the University of San Jose, Recoletos, and she hails from Samilan, Uslub, Cebu. She loves dancing and watching TV. Her motto in life is what is beauty, but your mind is empty. And her ambition in life is to become a teacher. Alina day. Okay, good evening, Miss Ann Curtis.
Good evening, Queen.
You look beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Model sa Avon?
Yeah.
Ibang kuha, day. Ibon? Ibon yun, day? Ibon. Wow, lamig lit si, Miss Ann Curtis, no? So, kumusta, day? Okay na. Kung sa'yo, gibuhat ni Ann Curtis karon na show, o isa ba? Sorry. Naasi nga to ba nga? Shofar? Ano sa shofar? Ano sa man? Shofar. Ano na kayo boyfriend nun, Ann? Yes. Pwede i-sorty kasi mong boyfriend? Neural cancer. Kung sa magkana siya ako, pagkaswerte nga nila langon, hangkon, ani. Wow, mga naka-jackpot dong. But anyway, your question comes from one of our board of judges. So please choose pick one. And you pick judge number 2. Okay, Ma'am Amor. Your question, please.
Wala ba kumakan na tayo? Bisaya lang sana yan. Kana bang ang, di ba ang biotic, kana ang talented. Although mingon mong accept mo sa community, so naapagid ang realidad nga naapay discrimination. Now, unsa pa may ikadugang sa imong talent and skills, aron proud ka sa imong pagkaikaw. Beauty and brain.
Bisaya si Ding. Nakakaan.
Because my parents supporting me as today who I am. And I believe I am beautiful and I'm smiling. That's all, thank you.
Halaga ka na makpak. Alam mo yung tubag na goy. Okay na dyan. Can I ask Ma'am Amor? Nakamuot pa kasi yung tubag? Hamuot ka lang akong katawang Ma'am Amor. Okay, so for our second batch of candidates, may I call on candidate number 4? Candidate number 4, Ms. Yula Caballero.
Itong kinaganina. Opo? Oy, foundation sa ng bagason. Sa dire?
Yula Caballero.
Ano, narigas ka pilya kaniya, oy.
Profession. She took up her studies in Kaliman University.
Ano ang bagagan foundation?
From Dumaguete City. Her motto in life is learn, love, and live. Very simple. Okay, hello, good evening, Ms. Yula. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, I guess some of our fellow men din he's not so familiar with you because what can I go for the signal there today? So, please introduce who are you again? Ang mga shows ni mo dahil.
Hi, once again, I'm Yula Caballero. That's my screen name, but in real life, my name is Jaya Ramos. I hail from Dumaguete City, Batingil, Barangay.
Okay, so you're from TV5.
Yes, to your Kapatid Network.
Okay, so I guess kabalo na mo, kailan na mo niya, no? Ani si Yula kagwapa, Julie, ay, no? So, how did you prepare, Dai?
When I heard the news about having the Super Serena prestige pageant, I was excited because this is only my second time to join this pageant, and I feel very blessed, honored that everyone here are very supportive. And when I heard this pageant, I prepared a lot. I eat plenty of rice, food, and exercise. That's it.
Okay, thank you very much, Dai. Can you pick your judge? We have 2 judges left, I guess. So, she picks judge number 3. Okay, judge number 3, or chairman of the board, Madam, or Miss Chagnis, Princess Naj Contual. Good evening, Princess Naj. Good evening, candidate number 4. Number 4. Okay, judge ka na?
Okay, Harito, no? I feel great, and I'm enjoying every moment of this pageant.
Okay, here's your question. You are given a second chance to transfer to other person's life, who would that be and why? I repeat. If you are given a second chance to transfer to other person's life, who would that be and why?
Thank you. When that day comes, I will be blessed because I will be with my mother's life. And that would be one of the most momentous events of my life. I would pick the life of my mother to be my second life. Why? Because it is not easy for us children to be raised by a mother, being labored, which is very hard. Practically, all of the suffering, all of the hardships that we surpass right now is because of our mother. And when the day comes, I will be honored to tell you that I am a real woman. Thank you. Thank you very much, Ms. Yula Caballero. Uploaded to Kaday. Okay, our fifth candidate, may I call on Miss Colleen Garcia. Colleen Garcia ang may malaking pagsabog.
Imong yuyo! Imong yuyo! Tarong silya! Tarong silya! 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 Yan mo! Yuyo!
Candidate number 5 is Becca Estadel in Real Life. She works as a professional model, liver, host, lungon, and she studied at CPU. Good, diba? And she's from Tapon, Santander, Cebu. The pride of Tapon. Colleen Garcia is pregnant. Gusto lang. Okay, good evening, Miss Colleen. Good evening, sir. Okay, kumusta? I'm so hungry. Talagay na yan, guys. Talagay na yan. It's sure. Ay, di halatang gusto. Sige, kasi time to all that. Okay, so, nakoy nadungog ba ang good niya? Kanina si Colleen, ikaw daw, mungdan, nagabuwag si Nikki o si Billy. Saka tinuod ni. Inag-check ka naman daw na siya, pero kung kwapa siya taas, wala na choice. So, kahit sino ka, gwapa ka doon siya sa pagkata. Ang gwapa si Colleen. Ay, dagang ingon yes, dahil. Right, uy, mga tao. Okay, yato magdugay, no? Okay, sige, palingot nagmaayos si Miss Colleen. Okay, we have only one judge left sa itong pilianan. And you got judge number, I think you got it right, dahil mong favorite judge among the rest, Ma'am Joanna. Okay, go.
Okay, good evening, candidate number 5. Good evening. I'll ask you first, have you been in love? Or are you in love right now? I really don't, so but... I'm single. I didn't experience in love. In love. So here's your question. If given a chance, are you willing to have a relationship with someone who loves you very much, but you don't love, or someone you love but who doesn't love you back? Which will you choose? So you repeat the question more. Okay, for the sake of candidate number 5, if given the chance, are you willing to have a relationship with someone who loves you very much but you don't love? That's the first choice. And the second choice is someone you love but who doesn't love you back. Ate ang pilion. Someone said, you love me but I didn't love. Because too easy to answer. But I'm just joking. Well, because that boy, he didn't he didn't love me, then you will love me that I didn't love. What is it? Just the person who didn't love me, well, okay, oh my God. Hindi sa ito naman Bisaya, kaya hindi ko kabong English, pero para sa tanan, sa mga pigulangan, akong Bisaya ko. Nasunod ka. Pwede ka. Para makasabot, hindi ko man English sa dako. Okay ra? Okay. Akong piliyon itong Lucky, nga dili, wala siya maibog na ako, pero naibog ko din siya. Okay? Basin, ma-realize siya nga, o sa akong pagabutan, o sa akong kagwapa, Sharon Mansad. Bakit kayo na-care? Bakit? Kinasing-kasing nga pag-care sa iyang kinabuhi. O dilis ba sa akong pagsabang ko siya problema? Sure lang, ha? Alright siya. Sa English? Wala ka English delete. Okay, thank you. Okay, present for you na, guys. And last, but definitely not the least, candidate number 6, Miss Catherine Bernardo.
Daran si
Catherine Bernardo.
Wala kang bisa ko, ha?
Catherine Bernardo is James Brunel Frijoles in real life. She works as a part-time model and she's studying at the University of San Carlos. Miss Catherine Bernardo came from Talisay City, Cebu. And her ambition is to become a famous role model someday. Once again, Miss Catherine Hello, good evening, Miss Catherine Bernardo.
Good evening.
Nalingaw ka, Day? Nalingaw ka?
Of course, it's my show. It's my side. It's showtime.
Well, kung sa showtime, man. But I think nag-guess ka na. So, kumusta man karon si Catherine Bernardo?
So far, so good.
Anong good man, Day?
You know, with the weather, so good. So like me, I'm good.
Uy, mag-score na judge, Day. Okay. Can you pick your judge from our lovely tabulator? And you pick judge number... Uy, her lucky day. Judge number 2, Ma'am Amor Lozano. Uy. Bawal pa sa pa. Okay.
Hello, Catherine.
Hello.
How's the Padilla?
He okay, but she loves me still.
Are you together?
I don't know.
So your question is, if X squared plus Y squared equals... Just kidding. As a member of LGBT organization, what do you think is your best contribution here in our society?
Before you question me again, sir, can you translate into Tagalog your question? Then I can translate my answer so I can express more.
Okay. Tagalog?
Yes.
Dahil membro ka nga ng LGBT community, ano yung pinaka-best contribution mo na ibahagi mo sa society natin?
At dahil ako isang membro, isa lang po ang may bibigay ko. Pagmamahal, pagiging respect, at higit sa lahat, ang pagiging isang maganda at matalino at sex. Kaya lang yun po ang mga katangian na isa lang po may bibigay ko sa ekonomiyan sa ating kapaligiran. At dahil doon, itong pinahawakan ko sa gabi nito. Dahil ako, alam niyo na. Thank you.
So, again, I'll ask the judge if you're satisfied. Okay. Okay na daw niya, Day. Thank you very much, Miss Catherine Bernardo. Okay, once again, pakpakan natin ang mga candidates for Super Serena 2013. O sa Madugay, we will reveal who will be crowned
as Super Serena Queen of Asia, Super Serena Queen of the world, and the most coveted crown, Queen of Asia, Queen of the universe. Okay, so while we're waiting, I think the results are ready. Okay, it's not yet ready. But for the... Okay, so again, may I call on our lovely candidates back on the stage? Because we are about to reveal our minor awards. Okay, ladies, music kuya. Okay, everyone, take a look at our finalists for Super Serena 2013 of Don Centro in Santander. Starting off with candidate number 1, Ms. Rachel Ango. Candidate number 2, Ms. Kim Su. Candidate number 3, Ms. Ann Curtis. Candidate number 4, Ms. Gina Caballero. Candidate number 5, Ms. Celine Garcia. Last but not the least, is candidate number 6, Ms. Catherine Bernardo. Okay, ladies, show them what you got. Check your best pose. Find your spot. Atong bakbakan ang atong Super Serena candidate. Everyone! Oh, important to happen. So right now, we will give our minor awards. So may I call on our tabulators to give to me the results. So una ang kuan, best in costume or fantasy wear. Okay, so to present to us or to present the sash, may I call on Ma'am Amor Lozano to tabong the sash or to pin the sash. Okay. Atong pakpakan no ang atong dumalaog. Kuyawan ko anida. Very kuan no kaning ilaha bang costume ganiha maglisod kay judge. It is lindo jud tanan. I was so thankful that these ladies were able to come up with such costumes nga lindo jud kayo. I'm not expecting that. And so thank you, ladies. You're fair enough. Okay, but syempre, usara man siya pwedeng mudaog in every competition. Sa best in costume, Kuyawan ko. Ikaw nilo sa costume, Juday. Boy, ikaw. But ang pinakalingot of costume goes to candidate number... Katubang butterfly. Dito po. Yes, Celine Garcia. Pakpake. Mana kayo award din tayo. Pwede ka muli. Okay, so our next minor award is to be awarded by Mrs. Marilyn Villanueva and Mrs. Longhena Zamora. Asa to sila? Ate! Ay, tos Madam Marilyn, oy. Hello, oy. Ipalusin sa costume. See-through man. Asa tong result din? Okay. For our next minor award is we'll have the best in evening gown. Kanang nakita ninyo karon mo na ng evening gown. Who do you think will get the sash for this? The prize? Ikaw daw, be. Ikaw daw. Uy, matulog man. Kasi nindot nila. Uy, tagang number nakita na po ha. Dili ka ba siya way, no? Kita kailangan ganaan sa gown. Oh my God, I'm seeing numbers. Tagang numbers, George. But, the one to contest the prize is no other than... Sino on? It's candidate number 6, Miss Catherine Bernardo. Lindot man, George. Kanayahang gown, tinawag ka na yung monster na pahalon. Lindot ang gown, ang dasuot ka ha. Ang sa pa. Lindot po, oy, syempre. Ha? Chikap lang pa din. Okay, our last minor award is Best in Talent. Hala, naghahanang talent sa lindot. Gani ha, oy. Gani siya, may sayaw. Just to refresh you guys, gani siya, may sayaw o what is that dance again? I don't know the title. Boy, ano ka? And I think she also danced manulog man, a Hawaiian dance, is it right? And she danced a pop dance, is it? Miss Ann Curtis. And we have a lovely singer. She sang our candidate number 4. Apilon pa bang number 5? Our candidate number 6, Misayo Puchalindot Puto. Misayo Chugato Dai, number 5. Okay, she danced also. So, after Lindot ato, first sayo, no? Usa lang may kanistar na goy. So, kamo, bidunhi ko dapit di kay nagyaw-yaw naman sa tagsabi. Ikaw, baby. Ha? Sa imuhaan ng talent. Ha? Ano ka lang po, oy? Number 4? 4, madali. Oy, din niyo dapit, baby, ha? Number... Ay, oh, my future. Abat day. Dili dapit day. Diha, kita nito ng talent. Uy, na may uban nga wala nila isa. Uy, potential na day. But in good with your talent and all of them exhibited exceptional talent, George. But ang atong tabulator magkalisod. Kay tungkol ka nag-score silang kukuhaan, George, mga score. Sino ba? Okay, so to present to us our best in talent, may I call on mangita tawag member diri sa ano, kung kapilya. Isa ka ha, diri dapit. Isa may member diri kanta Filomena. Si Dagol! Dagol! Can you please pin the sash atong best in talent? Ha? Okay na ba, Ilis? Ali, pin the sash o pagdala nun sa kauban. Bukas na yung sash na to. Okay, ali daw. Ali. Isa man tayo. Okay, so everyone, nahanag yun yung gawas rin at ito bago salihon eh. Dali ra. And the winner for Best in Talent goes to candidate
Number 4.
the one from Kapatid Network, Miss Yula Caballero, candidate number 4. Go dahil, go kiss lang dahil. Muna yung mga award na haway ka. Wait ka na. Okay, thank you very much, ladies. You may take the backstage again. Very lisod kay pagtali ko silang score. It's very big. Dagko may mga digits. So far, are you having fun, everyone? Dapat lang, because after this, we will have our mega disco explosion. Pang buto yung tanan ron, ha? Standby na.